Hi you guys, welcome back to another episode of Bake Mindfully, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy gluten-free lava cake. So this recipe is a little bit time consuming because you have to wait for the chocolate to cool down before you can put it in the cake. But other than that, it's very straightforward and it's super simple to make. And the only special equipment that you need for this recipe is ramekins. So you need to be able to bake the lava cake in a really good ramekin, or you can even use the silver foil cups that you get. So let's get into it. The first thing that we're going to start with is by melting a chocolate and milk together with a little bit of oil so that it flows out when you cut it into the lava cake. So I'll just melt it quickly. So once the ganache has melted, we're just going to let it rest in the fridge for half an hour or 45 minutes until it becomes firm and we can make balls out of it to put into our cake. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a cake batter. So I've already kept my flax egg ready. So this is nothing but flaxseed powdered put with some water, and it forms like a really viscous liquid. And the next thing is that I've taken all our dry ingredients together in one bowl and our milk and vinegar in another bowl. So all I have to do is just mix it all together. So our batter is ready now and it's going to look really liquid. And all that I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 ramekins and pour the batter equally into the 2 ramekins. I haven't oiled them, I've just kept them as it is. So the last thing we're going to do is I've made like kind of a ball out of the ganache that we made earlier, and I'm just going to put this inside the lava cake. Just push it inside a little bit and just cover the top with a little bit of the batter. Anyway, you don't have to worry because the cake is going to rise up, so it will cover the chocolate anyway. So that's it. It's super simple, and I'm going to put this to bake for 15 minutes until the cake has come out clean, and that's it. I'll show you how it melts. So our cake has baked now and it's set nicely. I've let it cool for some time, so now we're just going to unmold the cake. So to unmold the cake, I'm just going to run the knife on the edges of the cake, loosen it up, and now I'll just turn it around. That's our cake ready. To finish it off, I'll just dust it with some icing sugar. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make lava cake, and if you do try this recipe, then please let me know by either tagging me on Instagram or in the comments box below. And as usual, if you need the recipe, then I've linked the blog post in the description box below. And if you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. So thank you and see you soon. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to visit the website for the recipes.